Hello and good morning, everyone. I wanted to come to you live today. This is Jen with Let's Get Chalkin' with Jen. It's really me. I know you don't see my face a lot of the time. You only see my hands. But I wanted to come to you today because I got a box of products yesterday from our new release, and I wanted to share that with you. So if you're coming on live, please make sure you say hello. Let me know where you're watching from, because sometimes I don't get to see who's coming on, and I want to make sure I say hello to you and I get to share this exciting moment with you, because I'm so excited. This is my first box that I'm receiving of our brand new fall product, so I'm really excited about that. We just launched our autumn catalog with a lot of new things, and being a designer, first off, I got 40% off all these products, which is super awesome. And then in addition to that, we earn, as designers, depending on how much we do in sales, and that includes our personal sales, we earn something called designer dollars. So for every $200, we get 20 designer dollars. So I was also able to use some of that to purchase this. And by the way, I made this shirt. Now granted, this is an old transfer that we had, but this is a shirt I definitely made using one of our transfers and, oh look, this is gonna kind of hit me in the face, isn't it? And our couture inks. So I'm kind of gonna move this. Let me move this around. So yes, I did get some bubble wrap. Super exciting, right? Let me actually move this over a little bit so that I can be in the photo to show you stuff and not get hit in the face. All right, perfect. So let's see what we got. So I got some new chalk paste. I'm so excited. Actually, I got a lot of chalk paste because we had a lot of new colors come out. So I got, let me see. Sorry, I can't read upside down. Plum, Tide. So there's plum, Tide, peacock, fresh linen, garden herb, and curry. So these are some of our brand new colors. Hello and welcome to anyone watching. I got papaya, I got pumpkin pie, currant jam, grape, bumblebee, and storm. And then these are, there's a chalk paste and an ink in here. So I got the eucalyptus in the ink, which is a beautiful, like a sage green color. And then I got bark and kiwi. So I got all these new chalk paste. We have 29 different chalk paste, but these are just some of the new colors I got. This is, we have something called a canvas. We brought out these new canvas banners. These are just refills for that. These I really want to see. So we have this new, I actually got two of these. We have a new placement tape. What this placement tape is for, really cool, is we have fonts that we offer, and if you're interested in kind of making your own wall signs to say many different things, your addresses, stuff like that, this ink, or I'm sorry, this tape is to help you place your letters in the right place to keep them all even, so super cool. We have a new multi-purpose tool. This is to help scrape out. You can use it as a squeegee and help scrape out your jars. That's just a regular squeegee. These are what I really wanted to see. I couldn't wait. These are one of our new surfaces that we got. It is like a little chalkboard stand, and what's really cool, this is so cool. So it comes with the stand. It's got the little groove inside. So you can do it on this side, where you can chalk on one side. You can chalk on both sides, or you can turn it this way. So I love these. This is actually great for a first-time chalk project, whether you want to do it on your own, whether you want to host a sip and chalk. So this is one of our new surfaces that we offer. Let's see what else is in here. Sorry, I have a big vendor show coming up in Lancaster. Next weekend, we're going to be at the scrapbooking convention in Lancaster. So make sure if you are from that way or if you're going to it, make sure you stop by and say hello to us, as we would love to share Chalk Couture with you. What did I do with my little cutting knife? And again, if you're coming on live, make sure you say hello. I'm just revealing some of the new products that I got. that I'm going to be sharing with you. I will be doing some demos coming up soon. Oh, this is one of our other new surfaces. I love this. So this is one of our new box frames. It's kind of like a whitewash. This is wood. So actually, when you do any type of project on these are a one-time use because they're porous. So when you do a design on this, you're only gonna get one design. You're not gonna be able to clean this off. But look how awesome that is. I love this. So again, you could do it this way, you could do it this way. And I know some people also, these are just protective things. Here, we can take them off. Some people have also chalked on the back as well because it's a nice surface. So definitely really awesome new surface we have. That one is the, sorry, I can't see sometimes. This one is the 9x12. We also have it, let me open this up for you. And I know you guys are probably dying to see the transfers, but I want to show you we have a lot of great new surfaces that I cannot wait to do some live videos for you. This one is our 5x7. So again, makes a really great first time project. So again, it's the solid wood or the frame boxwood with the whitewash. Super awesome. So that's the 5x7. And then we also have one, which we have a beautiful sign. And I think I have it in the transfers that I'm going to be showing you here in a few seconds. Oops. Facebook Live. That's what happens. This one is the 8.5 by 18.5. So how cool. I love these. These are beautiful. I'm so glad they came out with these surfaces. So these are all available right on my website at chalkandwithjen.com. Or if you're interested in your local, you can host a sip and chalk or make and take. Excuse me. Sorry about that. And you can purchase them that way as well. So these are, let's see, these are 9x12, right? Yeah. So this is one of our new chalkboard surfaces that we have. For some reason I got really, really hot. I'll just put these aside. So I'm off today, so I'm really excited. I will be doing a live for you later to use one of these. I'm not sure which one I'm going to do yet, so when you see the transfers, maybe make a comment. But I will be going live to create a project for you later on. I'm off today, so I'm really excited. This is one of our new chalkboards. Again, this is a 9x12. This is one of our new Grayson chalkboards. It's got a beautiful frame with the chalkboard center as well. So super awesome. Love it. All right, so I got some other surfaces in here, but they're kind of just repeats of what I've already shown you. But I know this is always the fun part, to see all the fun new transfers, whoopsies, that I have. Oh my gosh, there's a lot of them. Woo! All right, so in our catalog, sorry you guys, I'm really hot. And again, please make sure you're saying hello so that I know you're here. And let me know which one of these transfers you like. Give me some hearts and thumbs up. I always love that. So we have a lot of new fall products coming out. So this one here, this is called our Halloween Fun. So this will be really cute to use to decorate pumpkins. If you wanted to do, if you're having a Halloween party, you can do invites and all kind of different things like that. Make cute little mason jars. This one is called I Woke Up Like That. Yeah, okay. Beautiful eyelashes and lips. If you like, that would be cute on a little cosmetic case. This one is just the Eek, Boo, and Spooky for Halloween. This is one of my favorite. This is the Have Courage. So this actually works great on this little board here. So this would be a beautiful gift for somebody, but definitely this one is called our Have Courage. This one is Your Life Story. Again, fits great on this little board or the little 5x7. Let me pull that back out. The little 5x7 wooden surface. How cute is that'll be on there. Okay. Then this is our little Wicked, which is a kitty cat, obviously a black cat for Halloween. This one is our Good Morning Gorgeous. So it has a lot of different words. This would be also cute with a hair salon, but again, you could do a beautiful tote. You could mix and match it, which is the beauty of Chalk Couture, with this one. But hello, handsome, gorgeous. This is also cute if you wanted to make signs, like for your bedroom or things like that, or for if you got a daughter. That's a great one there as well. This one is our Fall Leaves. How pretty is that gonna be? This is like one of my favorite. I could not wait to get this one. Pumpkin Spice. I love this one. This is gonna be a big, big seller for the fall season. Let's see, this one is actually just one of our decals the company offers to us so that we can make our own marketing tools like t-shirts, signs, things like that. Let's see, Give Thanks, which is really going to be cute for the upcoming Thanksgiving. This one will be really nice. This one is Farm Sweet Farm. So how cute is that to do? You could do a little light, a canister, the rooster, or the hen. How cute is that? I love that one. If you've got your farmhouse decor, that's a great one for you. This one, again, think of Christmas and all the different things you could make for your parents, for the grandparents, or this one's called grandchildren. It says, fill the space in your heart you never knew was empty, with the cute little handprints. Love that. This one I need all the time, I think. Please excuse the mess. Our children are making memories. How cute is that? Love that one. Okay, this one is Kindness. Throw kindness around like confetti. Oh. And again, if you go on my website, you can see, like if you look for these transfers, it usually gives you 2 different pictures so you can get different ideas. But remember, stay tuned to my page because I'll be definitely doing live videos for you as well. This one is the Woodland Flora, which it's got like pine cones. It's got the little berries, leaves. So that'll be cute for some additional little accents to fall projects. Here's a great one. This is our awareness. So this could be for any type of cancer out there. If you know anybody that's battling, you could make them a beautiful sign for them to give them hope. But always a DIY special project from you is a great gift to give. And again, this is our awareness one. This one, again, just another one for business building purposes if you're a designer. And remember, I got all this at 40% off, you guys, and I use my designer dollars. So a big perk of being a designer. This is the one I was talking about. So on this board right here that I showed you, this transfer works really great. It's called Home. There's one that says Home and one that says Family. This says, for family, a group of people who genuinely love, trust, care about, and look out for each other in a real family bond cannot be broken by any means. And then the word home is where you can rest your head and your heart, and some of it's covered over, but this is a great transfer for that board. I love this. This would also be cute on a pillow if you've got a pillow, and we do have the lumbar pillows available, the cases that you can purchase, again, right online. This one, I know you guys are gonna be like, no, I'm not ready. But this is just one of the many Christmas ones we have. This one is called Christmas Tree Farm. So we definitely have a lot of those, a lot of Christmas ideas. This house has endless laugh, love, and laundry. So that's a really cute one too for your laundry room. We have a Happy Halloween. This is one of my favorite seasons. I can't wait. This one is called our Fresh Pumpkins. So again, a lot of great fall decor. Another one of my favorite I could not wait to get. This is You Are My Sunshine. And this, I am definitely making this for my mother because that is what her and my son Matthew always say. And every time we see something that says You Are My Sunshine, we buy it for her. So that's a beautiful sunflower, a daisy, however you want to make it. Any different color. Again, we have 29 different colors. So that's a beautiful one. All right, this is calling all moms. If you have younger children, here you go. This is a back to school transfer. And I know it's still early, again, for back to school. But you could do, you know, kindergarten, first grade, preschool, 9th grade, 12th grade, whatever you want to do. This is the transfer for you where you can make your own designs, take those great photos of your kids on the first day of school. Okay. This one I actually thought was really cool. I can't wait to do it. This is our sugar skull. So sugar skulls are always big. So you have several different faces where you can create beautiful designs. So if you're into the sugar skulls, we have something for you, kind of a retro. Here is, these are getting bigger now. So this is the Happy Fall, y'all. So again, pillows, wall signs, front doors. And then one, I think this is my last one, you guys. This one is the build a jack-o'-lantern. So again, many different pumpkins and wall signs, front door signs. So that is my first haul that I got from Chalk Couture for the upcoming fall season. Like I said, I do have another one coming. We will be in Lancaster for a big event. If you're located in that area or you plan on going to the scrapbooking event, make sure you stop by our table. And I hope you love the new designs. If there was something you love that you would like to see me do or create for you, please make sure you comment below, because I will definitely put that coming up in the next couple weeks for you to see the new designs. I want to thank you so much for taking the time to watch. And remember, bottom left-hand corner is the share button if you want to share this with anyone. chalkandwithjen.com is my website, and if you have any questions, just let me know. So have a great day, and again, stay tuned for later as I create a fun new design for you using one of these new products. Bye-bye.